Hi guys, how are y'all tonight? Sorry I'm running just a couple of minutes late. I was doing something for the registrar and looked up and went, oh! So, sleepy, I totally get that. I totally understand that. Okay, so the great thing is we are through the holidays. Woohoo! I know y'all are so excited about that. Most of you all of you actually should have got the email. I don't know if any of you've read it, that I sent out. And can y'all hear me all right? Okay, perfect. So I have been teaching accounting for nonstop 2 years. I took a little 2-month hiatus, but before that, 2 years solid. I have never, ever had 100% attendance. So congratulations. I'm really, really proud of y'all. That means that this is going to be an absolutely stellar class. And the grades are phenomenal. The average grade, the mode is a 90. The average grade is a high 80. So high B, it's like 85.97. So great job. There's a couple of confusion sometimes in dealing with assets and debits and liabilities and credits, and it gets very confusing where you can have a debit and a credit both under assets and a credit, because one's under assets and one's under liability. How can you have a credit and a credit? And it's because of the way that the account is actually affected. So, how many of you absolutely understand everything there is to know about accounting? All right, Chrissy, that's good. Okay. Candace, I promise it's going to get better. Okay, half and half. Okay, how many of you actually went to your book to see if you have the kind of cheat sheet that's in the very back? Perfect. So the ones that actually checked it and you see it, you're using it. It is, I call it a cheat sheet. It's there. It's just helping you have it in black and white in front of you to think through things. And that's the great thing. Let me get rid of that. Come on. Oh, love you. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so that screen's freaking out on me. Hold on just a second. I got my computer's, okay, got too many screens going. I'm going to move this over here. Okay, so use that spreadsheet. You will find that it will help you tremendously. And for the ones that's been using it, you're seeing the benefit, because you can actually try, if you don't know what cash is, you can go look at the little examples and find cash. So this shows us that cash is an asset and the normal balance is a debit. So the positive balance is a debit. So a debit is going to always increase the balance, where a credit is going to decrease it. On the opposite side, we can see that as a liability, which is accounts payable, the normal balance is always a credit, and that increases the